Imagine waking up at 11 a.m., grabbing a cup of coffee, and checking your phone to see you've made $100, or even more, while you were still dreaming. Sounds like a scene out of a movie, right? Well, what if I told you this could be your reality? But here's the catch. If you don't act now, you'll miss the window. The opportunities I'm about to share are vanishing fast, while others are building their wealth. Are you okay staying stuck, wishing for change, but doing nothing? Wait, did you just think, is this another one of those videos promising riches with zero effort? Nope, it's better. Stick with me till the end, and you'll see exactly why. Let's start with something so simple it feels almost unfair. But don't underestimate its power, because, done right, it can set you up to make $100 a day, or even more. First up, digital products. Now, before you roll your eyes thinking, that sounds complicated, hear me out. Imagine creating something once, an ebook, a template, or even a Notion planner, and letting it sell over and over again. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy are gold mines for this. You don't need to be a writer or a designer. ChatGPT, Canva, and other tools can help you create products in hours. Too lazy to even write an ebook? Let AI do the thinking while you binge watch your favorite series, multitasking at its finest. And here's the crazy part. You don't even need a big audience to start. But there's one trick to making this truly hands-off. I'll share that in just a moment. This one is almost criminally easy. Affiliate marketing. You promote products you love, or pretend to love, and earn a commission for every sale. Platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank make this process seamless. And the best part? You don't need to create a product or deal with customer service. Imagine getting paid while recommending stuff you'd talk about anyway. It's like getting paid to gossip. Ethically, of course. But what if you don't have a big following? Don't worry. I'll explain how even complete beginners can turn this into a gold mine in just a few clicks. Next, we have print on demand. This is perfect if you like the idea of running an online store but hate the hassle of inventory. With platforms like Printful or Redbubble, you can design or outsource designs for t-shirts, mugs, and more. When someone buys, the platform handles production and shipping. You just collect the profit. Not an artist? No problem. Stick figures are a vibe these days. Who knew your 5-year-old level drawing skills could make you rich? Here's the kicker. Trends in this space move fast. Spotting the right trend, whether it's a meme, slogan, or viral moment, can make you thousands overnight. Are you ready to jump in? Last but not least, freelancing with a twist, automation. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork let you offer services like graphic design, video editing, or even writing. But here's where the lazy part comes in. You don't do the work yourself. Instead, you outsource it to someone else for less than what you're charging. Congratulations. You've just become the middleman your parents always warned you about. Some call it outsourcing. I call it genius. But there's one hack to make sure you don't get caught up in the details. Stay with me because I'll break it down in the final segment. Here's the reality. Opportunities like these aren't waiting around. If you're watching this, it means you're ready for change. But thinking about it won't make it happen. Action is what separates dreamers from achievers. Now, I know what you're thinking. Where do I start? Start with just one of these methods. Small steps lead to big results. And remember, wealth isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Do you want to look back a year from now and say, I wish I started, or I'm so glad I did? The choice is yours. If you found value in this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense strategies to build the life you deserve. Oh, and drop a comment below. Which method are you trying first? Let's turn your laziness into your superpower. See you in the next one.